Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Man will be the major reason for the June 12 celebrations for Nigeria. The protesters gather around MKO Abiola Garden here for Lagos to give respect to the man who initiated the whole June 12 thing for Nigeria. The whole protesters been done work out from different locations in Lagos, and now they're here to pay respect to Chief MKO Abiola.
All we are saying is give the youth the right to live. Yes. All we are saying, give the youth a good job. Yes. All we are saying, allow the youth to contest and win. Yes. All we are saying, allow the youth to contest without paying a tax. Yes. Allow the common people to have a voice. Yes. All we are saying no to Buhari. Yes. It is better you resign now.
Leave the road. Leave the road.
Buhari must go. Buhari must go. Buhari Wait. Commissioner, I want to address you now. You want to address you now?
This is bad government you're fighting for. Buhari, listen to yourself. Fulani is killing Nigeria. Who are we? Many variants of us are here. We'll be stuck for many years. Still will not take, we will die. Better Nigeria. Nigeria must go. We can't have this problem. Better Nigeria.
We move. Okay, people, we still day here live from Lagos, where the youth still they protest. Go back, Bobo. See, the youth still they protest and all over Ojota, Lagos, for at least the past 1 hour. They don't hold this area siege. Vehicles they fear to even pass. Vehicles they fear to pass. Yes, police they ground, but yes, they allow these people protest. And the protest still day on. Initially in the morning for this same location, police been cordon off the area and the protesters no police show face. But later, police come, give them space, they can't enter, begin the protest. Once the police begin to tear gas and disperse them. So after police begin to disperse them, police shoot tear gas, police release guns in the air, but we don't see anybody where bullet touch, and we don't see anybody where tear gas hit, but everybody pick race disappear, run, police arrest some people, and later, according to the commissioner of police, who we'll talk to later, they tell us that they later discharge everybody. Here they come again.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe,
Face TV was Swoby.